On coronavirus, it's now infected more than 90,000 people worldwide and has killed more than 3,100 people.
As Catherine Johnson reports, the numbers are climbing here in the U.S.
Washington state remains the epicenter of the nation's coronavirus outbreak. At least 8 people have died there, most of them from this Kirkland nursing home outside Seattle. Relatives are concerned dozens may be infected, but have not yet been tested.
I just feel they're covering it up at this point. I just feel there's something going on that they don't want to admit.
Washington Senator Patty Murray grilled health officials about delays in testing.
I have people in my state who may have been exposed. They cannot get answers about where to go.
The head of the FDA says a private company is close to shipping thousands of kits to labs across the country.
2,500 test kits by the end of the week. That should give us the capacity in the hands of laboratories, once they validate, to perform up to 1 million tests.
A second case was confirmed in New York, and the CDC says that brings the number of cases to 108 in at least 14 states. President Trump says the administration has met with officials from 30 states to help contain the virus and that he's pushing the nation's biggest drug makers for a vaccine.
A lot of good things are happening, and they're happening very fast. I said, do me a favor, speed it up, and they will.
Even working full speed, health officials say a vaccine is still 1.5 years away.
When we hear talk about a vaccine's going to be ready in a couple of months, it won't be ready for being deployed. It's going to take a while.
The Federal Reserve announced an emergency interest rate cut to support the economy, but it failed to stop the stock market from another dramatic drop. Catherine Johnson, CBS News, Washington.
The CDC says most cases of the virus are mild, but that judging from China's experience, about 16% may result in more serious illness.